But this morning I had a really shitty surprise. Walked over to go get my bag of food. It's gone. Here's my little tent. Petzl River. Campsite number 7. It's been a week. Woo! And beautiful cliff. I just wish it was warmer so that I could actually go swimming and go to it. Here are my finds. Went to the store in St. Fintan's. That's gonna be my new cooking pot because I got mine stolen. And then, well, I had to buy toothbrush, toothpaste, which I'll probably empty some because it's way too big. But I'm gonna keep hiking. And I got my food from my food shop. Parasha River. I've been hiking in the rain for quite a while and then it stopped for the last half hour maybe. Before that I had an hour of pretty pouring rain. So I am still en route. Still hiking, just kind of skipped one section so I'm gonna be a day early. I've been hiking in the fog for quite a while and right now I'm gonna be crossing Robinson's River. This nice bridge. Look at that! Trans-Canada Trail. That's actually the longest trail in the whole world because it crosses the whole country, all provinces. So this is my setup for cooking. After having my cooking pot stolen or taken or whatever may have happened with it, I bought a can of sprouted beans and I'm cooking with it because I can't really cook my food if I don't have anything to put it in. So have a look. Here's the Canadian beaver hut. Lewis Hills in the distance. This is actually really exciting because I am a little sick of this trailway. So luck was with me. I stopped at Chubb's convenience store in St. George's and the lovely ladies over there made me some fresh coffee, gave me some cake, had a good chat with me. Have you ever wondered how electric poles actually hold in the ground in Newfoundland? Build a box with wood, pile a buttload of rocks. I've been cooking with wood for all my food, so whenever you find birch, it's actually quite exciting because I just get just a little bit and then it's 10 times easier to actually start my fire. There's been lots of awesome camping spots, but no water whatsoever except the ocean, so it's kind of not so good for me because I'm gonna want to be cooking and drinking some water. Then I found this little pond there, which looks disgusting. I'm debating just walking over Stephenville Crossing, getting some food in and coming back to camp. met a guy named Dave, and he's a StarTech guy, so a professional helicopter pilot. He even gave me some goodies. So I present you my second whistle, because I already have one. Awesome hand warmers if I get cold. Multivitamins, a glow stick, handheld flare. And now I'm sleeping in Stephenville Crossing by the beach. Can't really see the ocean, but it's on the other side of this little hill there. That's my scenery. So it's day 9 on the trail, and I have finally left the trailway. It's been raining all morning, so I've been pretty much wearing my whole attire of rain gear. Even got the gaiters, because you don't have a choice with this kind of trail. And I made it to the Indian Range Trail, which is back in the International Appalachian Trail. This here, which is where I can also lay my bag without it being soaked. But yeah, it's pretty intense. Do not attempt that trail if it's raining. So having fun. I'm actually walking through soft ground and in the woods. Yay! So I made it home in Cornbrook. Only took me 2 rides. Just had a shower. It feels wonderful. Probably gonna head back in the mountains tomorrow night. So today I went and did some shopping. And look what I got. New pots. So I won't have to cook with my little can of sprouted beans. It's gonna be way easier. So I went all over the place, and in Cornbrook we don't have that many outdoor stores. I am good to go. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell so that you don't miss part number 4, in which I make it in the Lewis Hills.